They put a shirt. Belmont is love.
Chop Square. Gaza.
Gaza. Yeah, man, know say Gaza, man.
Some more life, more money, you know. Them can't stop, we are now. Hilltop take a bow. Some just and the pro.
Boom, 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 yo! Trinidad, them for know so Trinidad, but we started off video right to the Trinidad reaction now, guys. Right now we have Kayla and Rich Badness in the singer drop yesterday. Or 2 days ago. I don't remember what they come out recently. You me I say, I want some to react to it, so I'm gonna deal with it the right way. You know what I mean? So it name Rich Badness. First of all, rest in peace, Kayla, I don't know. Everybody at Trinidad, miss you. I can see what I got for the same people. Comment on this video to see here. Comment in the next video that I post. And I post every single day. 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times for the day. This is the first video of the day. You know what I mean? Regular routine, the people. Start marathon. You see me I say marathon. Comment again if you see a comment over there. Say, I don't know, chop, you know. You see me I say. And I want to say thank you all for 10,000 subscribers. Thank you all for 10,000 subscribers, guys. I really appreciate it. That was my goal for this year. I set that as a goal for this year when I just started doing reactions, and yep, we'll do it. We'll box it in the face. So before December 15K, can we do it? We're gonna deal with it, don't it? So subscribe to the channel if you guys are not yet subscribed, and let's get straight to this reaction right now. Wait! Hold on! Merch link in the description to the video if you don't want to cop them right now. Let's see, say run tune. They put a shirt. Let's see, say react to sicker than COVID-19. Striker than I should say. Run tune. They put a shirt right now. Link in the description. Go up on the store. Teesprings. Them bad. Them cheap too. Cheapest clothes in Jamaica right now. Them Jamaica. Cheapest clothes in YouTube. Run tune. Yeah.
Dark Pound. Chop Square. Gaza.
Hold on there. You just say Gaza a while ago. Hold on there. Run tune. They put a shirt. Belmont is love.
Dark Pound. Chop Square. Gaza.
Yeah, man, know say Gaza, man.
Some more life, more money, you know. Them can't stop, we are now. Hilltop take a bow. Some just and the pro. And start up.
The man say more life, more money, you know. Them can't stop with yo. More life and more money right now in the dog. You see me I say, reach 10K, I know say more life and more money. I say, go out with the truth, if I pause and chat too much. Go on.
But them better know. Love and gunshots. More money, more madness.
Yeah.
Rich Badness. More girls, more softness. Pretty bad bitches, them looking
like. Hold on, Kelly, pull up a tune. Pull up a tune, man, say more money, more go on.
We are now Hilltop take a bow. Some jealous of the brothers and start up a hoe. But them better know. Love and gunshots. More money, more madness.
Yeah.
Rich Badness. More girls, more slackness. Pretty bad bitches.
Them man say more money, more badness. Bumbleclaw, more girls. Man say more slackness. Bumbleclaw. If I say your body, people want to be a fair emotion in the comment section right now. And comment your flag. You don't know what's happening. Comment your flag in the June.
Looking like some models and some actress. Brand new Toyota for our access. And I try to corrupt the vibes. Go before them eyes. That's when the tall ups arise the fastest. Gonzales no promote, no ass rifle.
Boom. Big Bumbleclaw tune. Be a fair emoji in the comment section right now, people. Right now. You don't have 1 and 2 comments in the comment section. If you have 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 comments in the comment section, just like I'm going to post numerous videos if you have numerous comments. No. Run tune.
Send Babsel, Bella Road, you know when I've chill. Yo, biggie, make sure when them see we, they no see we. G5 with enough cash, yeah, secured with the mini. Enough for God to wishes like a genie. No pills and champagne and high grade green like inside the cream.
What? No, hold on. Run back the part, they go on.
Make sure when them see we, they no see we. G5 with enough cash, yeah, secured with the mini.
Yeah. Enough
for grant to wishes like a genie. No pills and champagne and high grade green like inside the cream.
Bumbleclaw. Big up yourself, Tony Jeff. Yo! Run tune!
Bad man try it, them dead pan sight. When we out, we not take stop on red light. Now my daughter future bright, cause a hard man fight. Yeah. More money, more madness. Rich Badness, more girls.
Big up to Kayla and daughter, and big up yourself for that moment. You see me? You see me? That's the left legacy out there for you. Let's go on more. And me? Run tune!
More slackness, pretty bad bitches, them looking like some models and some actress. Brand new
bad bitches,
Toyota
them
for our
looking like-
access, and I try to rub the vibes, go before them eyes.
Yeah.
That's when the tall-ups are rise the fastest. Gonzales no promote, no assness, rifles and babs.
Cheat.
They have money.
Bella
You know
Road,
they can
you
do
know
it.
when-
Never say, we don't promote no what? No ass. Yo, hold on. Go on.
Promote no assness, rifles and babs.
When I have money,
Bella
you know
Road,
they can
you
do.
know when I have chill. It make we pay the cops, so play the cops, so spray the cops, still hate the cops and fuck the lady cops and have them bouncing like some
Hold
lady
on,
shots.
the cops here, the cops are put the cops on the Voila. Go on.
And fuck the lady cops and have them bouncing
No,
like some
hold
lady
on.
shots. Brokenness,
What?
I have money,
Bella
you know
Road,
you can
you
do.
know when I have chill. It make we pay the cops, so play the cops, so spray the cops, still hate the cops and fuck the lady cops and have them bouncing like some lady shots. Brokenness can fit me again like baby socks, but what fit me good is my pair of baby Glocks. What 868, no afraid for knock. All my life we no left it. Dog man said the money pile, tell him if it. Remind them that my image can't tarnish. For bookings you could link, hell manage. Fly. More money, more madness.
Rich buckler. Yo, people, run up on the like button if you watch the video right now and you don't like the video. Like the Bumbuckle Belt video right now. Like the video right now and comment the fire emoji in the comment section for the done lighter. I buy a lighter today. I forgot buy a lighter today. Drop the comment them people. Like the video, make the video get recommended to more people so more people can get to see the thing. As a mess and thank you all again for 10k subscribers. I don't even know. Run show.
Badness, more girls, more slackness, pretty bad bitches, them looking like some
Some
models and
actress.
some actress. Brand new Toyota for our access.
Bumbuckle!
And I try to rob the vibes, go before them eyes. That's when the tall-ups are rise the fastest. Gonzales no promote, no assness, rifles and
Cheat.
babs.
Cheat! Man, so we don't promote none of them bumbuck like, yo, that Bex lighter now working on that, my Bex lighter now working on that, my Bex, no fuck, yo. I don't even know how man Bex, dog. Ja, no star. You going tune here, man.
Bella Road, you know when I have chill. Yeah, more life, more money.
Woo!
More life, more money, dog.
Come,
You
boom.
can't take with from me, dog. Any test them, I end up in a body bar. Yeah. Hilltop. BIL.
Yeah, big up on the bumbuck class, self. Tata check out the reaction boss video, guys. It's been always an honor and a pleasure. You see me, I say, were you entertained? You don't know a chap in the reaction boss hours later over here, so you don't know. You're going to do a next video right now. You don't know a chap with the people. Every day, 2 to 3 to 4 times. Yesterday, don't get around 10 videos yesterday, I only get around 5 videos yesterday. And you see me, I say, and yesterday we clap with 10k and that. I got you don't even know that. It a show. I'm happy you're yo. Big up yourself. Oh, yes, it work. Sick, the dog flow mad. You don't know a chap with the people. Reaction boss. Out.